All right, thank you, John. Yes, we are sharing a cookie recipe, and this is called our family's favorite cookie, and this originated with your family in a cookbook, right?
Yes, so it's out of our Hecker family cookbook, which would be on my mom's family, and
Okay.
so it's basically like a ranger cookie or a cowboy cookie. It just has our own variation.
All right, so a lot of good recipes in there, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Let's talk about this one and what we need.
All right, so we already creamed the 1 cup of shortening, and then we're going to go ahead and add our sugar, which would be 1 cup of white and 1 cup of brown. We'll just mix that in.
All right.
And we'll go ahead and mix in 2 eggs.
Perfect.
And we'll get that good and stirred.
And you can use a mixer for this, right?
Yes, ideally a mixer would be more helpful.
It would, yeah.
When I made them last night, I just used my stand-up mixer, and it worked pretty slick.
Perfect. So, all right, and so after you mix this and you add the flour?
Yep, you're gonna add your dry ingredients, which I sifted together already.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta go gradually, don't you?
Yeah, let's not make it
this
overwork.
would be very easy with a mixer.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you just keep adding that.
Yep,
of
just
course,
keep adding
just like
it.
you would make a regular cookie.
Oh, for sure.
Okay. And then once this is all stirred together, is that when you add this?
Yep, so then you would just go ahead and fold that in.
Okay.
And like you said, it would be much easier with a mixer, but.
Yeah. Okay, so gradually add that.
Yep.
These are going to be kind of a chunky cookie then, aren't they?
They are. They're nice. They're a little denser than a chocolate chip cookie, but I wouldn't say they're dry. If you feel like it's a little dry, you can always add in a little water or whatever, or you can back off on this.
Okay,
But yeah.
well, got the ingredients there on the screen.
Yeah.
I know one thing we like to do, Megan, is like make the dough and then put it in the refrigerator and then just kind of eat on it for the week. So you always have a warm cookie
Yes,
in the
you can do
oven.
that too. They freeze great too.
All right, perfect. And so we're going to show the finished product here after we look at the ingredients for this. And again, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to take your time in copying it down. But this is the finished cookie. Perfect. Get a nice shot of it there. Give it a try. It's very good.
Yeah. They're even perfect for breakfast. You know, there's cereal in it, so it could count, right?
That's true. And I bet your kids like these.
They do.
Okay, great. John, we have one of these for you, and Brad, back to you now.